Hello everyone, I am Chavi Malhotra. So today I am going to tell you about these Velesa resistance bands that I am having in my hand today. So you can use these in your home workouts. They have the same impact as when you are doing a workout in gym. So these are convenient and easy to use at your home. So they come in 5 types on the basis of strength, and according to your strength and flexibility level you can use these. So they range from extra light to extra heavy. So I'm starting with the first exercises. This is for your shoulder rotator cuffs. So what you have to do is you have to keep your upper body relaxed and do not keep it stiff at all. So you have to have this in your hands. Don't keep the grip so tight. Just relaxed. Yeah. You have to slowly stretch it outwards and inwards. Outwards, in. Out, in. So let's do it 10 times. 1. And you have to keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out. It is very helpful for your shoulder, and it will help the ones who are having frozen shoulders as well. So now let's move on for the next exercise, which is for your triceps. You have to hold the resistance band in your hand, the upper hand, this pointer finger, and you have to stretch it downwards. So your right hand will be upwards and you have to pull the resistance band downwards with your left hand, and keep in mind that you have to keep your upper body and especially your elbow straight and stable. So like this. 1, and keep breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3. Now let's do it with the opposite hand. So now your left hand goes up and the other hand, right, that goes down. You have to keep this like this. 1, 2. Move on to the opposite muscle, that is our biceps. So what you have to do is you have to keep your thumb downwards and just fix it here. Then you have to pull the band upwards like this. 1, 2, 3. You have to ensure that your elbow, which is holding the band from the down, is stable, or otherwise you will just injure your shoulder. Then from the opposite side, like this. 1, 2, 3. After each exercise, what you can do is you can shake your hands or you can move your shoulders, so that if any strain is coming, then you can just give some time to relax.
3, 4, 5.
So the next exercise that we have is for your chest. So we call this chest stretches. You have to keep your hand upwards like this, straight upwards, and you have to keep on gradually stretching it downwards like this. Then again upwards and then downwards. Keep breathing in and breathing out. Now we will work on our medial glutes. So this exercise is helpful for enhancing stability and posture. It will help those who want to loosen up their fat which is accumulated in their thighs as well. So what you have to do is take the resistance band in your hand and just tuck it on the top of your ankles like this. For tucking it, you can use your chair or you can take the support of wall. So I am a little trained in this, so I'm not using any of that. So keep your hands on your waist and you have to just stretch each leg 10 times. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So when you are done with your right leg 10 times, then you can do it with your left leg like this. 1, 2, 3. Now we did it sideways. So what we're gonna do is we gonna move the band slightly near the ankle and then stretch frontwards. You will feel the stretch in your medial glutes. You can take the support of your wall if you want. Like this. 1, 2, 3. And the same way you can do backwards as well. 1, 2, 3. And you can do each stretch of each leg 10 times. Moving on, we will be focusing on our quads as well as our glutes. So just stretch your band upwards between your thighs and knees like this. So you have to bend downwards till the extent whatever you are comfortable with, and just you ensure that your knees are outward. You don't have to bend it inwards. So I'm gonna show you from front side first, like this. You don't have to do this. You have to keep it outwards, like this. You don't have to bend yourself so low, like this. You have to do it 10 times. 1, 2, slowly. And breathe in and breathe out. While you are going down, breathe in, and while you are moving up, breathe out. So now our next exercise will also focus on our glutes. So what you have to do is just slightly move the band downwards, and now for this one we have to lie down. You can use a chair if you have any sort of difficulty. Like this. You have to keep your legs behind your knees. Just lie down. Your body should be straight and your chin has to be up. Like this. Now what we have to do is we have to lift our lower body as per your convenience. Like this. 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out. 3, 4. You are feeling the stretch here. So for our next exercise, we have to just pull the band slightly upwards and not above your knees, just beneath it. So this is the same position that we were in the last exercise, and you have to pull your legs outwards and inwards. 1, 2, 3. These are for your inner glutes. 4, 5. Our next exercise will also focus on the same muscles, but it is a little advanced. So move the band slightly above your ankles. Keep your legs straight. You have to bend your knees a little and then move outwards like this. 1. You have to do this 10 times. We can do this 3 types. So one was that you are keeping your legs center and you are moving it outwards and inwards. And the another type is just keep your left leg stable and move the right leg right side. 1, 2, 3. And same we will be doing with the left leg. Keep your right leg stable and move your left leg towards the left side. 1, 2, 3. So you can do all the variations 10 times. Next exercise is also we have to be in the same position. Keep your hands beneath your hips. You have to keep your legs upwards and then like we are walking. Stretch your right leg first and then left leg. You can stretch as per your comfortable level that you are. 1, 2. When you are stretching, the stretched leg is straight and the knee is folded like this.